repeat it. So open, motif, open. Okay. So I'll make this just a little bit bigger. Okay. Go off of it. All right. So then I go back up to view, rulers. But you can see you can actually make another pattern, which is really cool too. So you don't have to use this one. So now I'm going to go here, right? So now you guys tell me where to go for the other one, because I am. So where should I go? Here?
No, down. Go like to the center of the hexagon. Yeah, like
This,
there.
there?
Yeah.
Even though, does everybody think it's right?
I think you can go higher.
Yeah, I
I
think I have
think,
to make it like here, but then, well, no, I think that's right, because I was going lower. Yeah, because then I have the one long piece. Okay, well, we'll try this. It doesn't hurt. So then take the ruler from the other side. So when you click on the ruler, just hold it in order to get it. I'm going to go in the middle of this motif. Okay. Grab another one. I'll do it over here in the middle of this motif. Does this look right as a repeat in that square?
a little to the right.
All right, we'll try it.
There
Go
you
to
go.
crop. I know this is the hardest part, is just getting the rulers in the right spot. Everything else is really easy. So, oops. Crop tool likes to take over, so you have to be careful. So what I'll do is I'll just say, whoops, now see how it's just like, it just takes over. Let me just go here and I'll say, don't crop. Okay. Then hopefully it didn't move that much. Okay, so then crop, go right away. I'm trying to show you, but I can't do it together. Okay, click and hold. Go right into the blue lines. Don't go above or below, because that'll mess everything up. Okay, let go. And take a look at it. That doesn't look right either, right? If I crop it here. No, I think my crop thing is wrong again. So control, no, so then just go here and say, don't crop. Okay. So I have to go here and move this one. Okay. So Andrew, where did you say I should go again? Like down here?
Like, go to the center of the hexagon.
This one?
Yeah, like right there. Because then I think when it puzzles, it's going to fit into it.
But up here, it's not in the middle. Do you know what I'm
So
saying?
maybe move them both to the middle.
Okay, that might be better. Okay, so do that one. Do this one like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just take a look. Yeah, that maybe it will make more sense. Okay.
I
So
do
let me go
puzzles
back.
every day at work.
Oh, yeah? So let's,
When you're putting things into a cart, you're playing Tetris shapes.
so I'm gonna crop it. Okay. Click here. Okay, say crop. Now let's look at it in the offset. So I'll go to filter, other offset. So I'm just gonna play with it just to go back and forth to see how it looks. It's not really going that far back and forth. Okay, so let me go up and down. Yeah, it looks good, right? So I'll say, okay. So now we want to save it. So let's go to edit. Oh, wait. Define pattern. Okay, you can keep it just so you don't mess it up with the other one. I'm gonna put like 2 2. Okay, say okay. And now I'm just gonna open up another file to see how it looks. Blank one. Create. Now I'm going to go to my layers. Just a sec. Go to the black and white cookie. Go up to pattern. And there it is. Now you can make it bigger or smaller right now with your under the scale. So you can make it closer. And as you do, you can see that it is, yeah, it's good. It looks good.
It looks so clean.
I'm sorry, what?
It looks so clean.
I know. So this one, which I'm going to show you something else that you kind of have to clean up a little bit. But if you do get it, you know, as you can see, we had to try a couple times, but it's not that lengthy of a time to redo and you know, get it in the right spot. Because after you start staring at it after a while, you're not really sure where everything is, exact spot is. So you just play with it, get in the right spot, and then now it repeats forever. So no matter what you have, you know, you can repeat it. And then now you can also resize it. So in Photoshop, you can resize whatever pattern you have at any time. In Illustrator, you can't. Once you have to make a size, save it, make another size, save it, etc. Because it doesn't work the same way in Illustrator. But in Photoshop, it just becomes a pattern, and then you can make it bigger or smaller. Because like even the smaller one looked pretty cool, like to use too, you know, for like a really nice fine print shirt, like a men's shirt. It would make even a nice like men's shirt really small. So like see this one, let's see, like if this was really small, that would make a nice printed you know, even men's shirt and stuff. So depending on the size that you use it for. And then of course it could be a couch. It could be also a women's shirt or, you know, dress, something like that. Okay. So did everybody get that? Also, I videoed it so that we have it. So now it's in your patterns over here and everything. Okay. Now I want to show you how to take a pattern that's a little off, and because sometimes in you know, you see something or you took a picture of something and it's just like off a little bit. So we're gonna go here to open up the new, okay, open. Now if you want to save something, name it something different right now. So I'm gonna do file, that way it stays crooked order. File, save as, because I'm going to fix it. So I'll put in here, I'll just do fixed grain. Fine. Okay. And save it. So now the other one will stay the same. So it'll stay off grain. But this one we're going to fix. Okay. So this one's harder, as you can see. So that what you want to do is to pick out like the thing you see the most. So the thing that you see the most right here is the blue, right? So this will be kind of how you're gonna do your pattern, but if you could see, it sort of looks like it's seamed in here, but we're not gonna worry about that right now. Kind of like they already made the pattern that way, but they're selling it like that. But however, whoever made the pattern kind of made it look stripey a little bit. But so let's say you have this off grain thing here, all right? So what you want to do is underneath the crop tool, they have the perspective crop tool. Okay, this is kind of cool. That's why I'm showing you. So perspective crop tool is what you want. Click on that. Now, what you want to do is, maybe I'm going to make this a little bit closer up because it is hard to see. And then click on that. What you're going to do is you're going to click onto the repeat. So I'm going to go probably, if I'm clicking here, I'm going to click down here. So I'm going to click in the middle of, on top of the blue, make sure it's just right on top. Just click. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here and click over on top of that one too. Let me just to make sure it's centered and it's right in the middle. And then just click. then it brings up this mesh thing. So I want to go here and I'm going to go to the top of this blue one. Just, it's hard to see. Click. Then I'm going to bring it over to this one over here on top of the blue. Click. So now you have that. So you want to take a look at it and see, I think this is going to work out. So then just, whoops, make sure, oops, I moved this. Let me move this back. Oops. The Control Alt Z is not working on this. So let me see if I can move this back. No, I'm gonna don't crop. Got to do it again. Okay, go back here. Make sure you click off of it. So I'm gonna go on top of the blue. Click, and then you're not dragging on this tool. You're clicking. Click. Okay, and go down to this top one here. Click. Something happened. You see there's all this stuff here. So let me just go off it again and say don't crop. Go back here. Well, it's good that it's showing you all the things that can happen while I'm showing you. Click here. Now move this one down to on top of here. Just to click, bring it over here. And it's on top, click. And now I'm going to go and now I will just click on the arrow tool here and I'll say crop. Okay, now automatically, you know, crops it to you. So now let's go here and go again to view. Not view, sorry. Filter, other, offset, just to play with it to see. I'm gonna go here. Now go up and down. Yeah, I think it's okay because it was already kind of a stripy pattern. It looks like it's okay. So now I'm going to say, go back here, go to edit and define pattern. So you save it and say, okay. Now I'm going to open up a new file to take a look at it. And go to the black and white cookie here, go up to pattern, and there it is. And then to look at it closer up, go right here and a little bit bigger. Say okay. So it looks pretty good, right? Yeah, I don't see anything too off about this. Okay. And then now it's saved into your patterns and you can say,